How to fix the GCash app EKYC enabled error. Open the GCash app and log in. Go to your profile and check your account verification level. If your account is not fully verified, tap on Verify Now or Upgrade Account. Submit a valid ID such as a passport, driver's license, or UMED. Complete the selfie verification process. Make sure the name on your ID matches your registered name on GCash. If the error continues, long press the GCash app and go to App Info. Tap on Storage and Cache, then clear the cache. Reopen the GCash app and try again. Go to the Play Store or App Store and check if there's an update for GCash. If yes, update it. Ensure your internet connection is stable during the verification process. If the issue still persists, go to the Help or Contact Us section in the app. You can also email support and include your registered mobile number, a screenshot of the error, and a short description of the issue. Thank you for watching.